Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Before I start today's recipe, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and everybody that views my videos and makes comments down below as well. Without you lot, I wouldn't be doing this, so you know, thank you so much. Anyway, that's one side. Today I'm going to be making a beef stroganoff. Now, there's many ways of making a beef stroganoff. I don't know if you could say there is any particular classic way or not really. Some people use creme fraiche, some people use cream. Obviously everybody uses beef, otherwise it wouldn't be called a beef stroganoff, would it? So without further ado, let's get on with this recipe. And yeah, for this we're going to need these ingredients that we've got here. Some freshly chopped parsley, some strong English mustard which is nice and hot. We need some garlic, there's a couple of cloves, I'm going to use out of this bulb here. Some salt and black pepper for seasoning. About 4 or 5 ounces of chopped mushrooms. And we've got here about 3/4 of a pound of sirloin steak. A couple of onions. Some butter. Some cream. Some creme fraiche, some paprika, and some olive oil for cooking. Of course, we need some stock as well. Then we go into a large bowl with some paprika, some pepper, some sea salt, and then we can go in with our beef, which is cut, as you can see, into these nice little strips. And then it starts to become a beef stroganoff. Give this a nice mix, get all these pieces of meat coated, and put that to one side. Then we take a large pan and pop in some olive oil, followed by our sliced onions. We can saute these down a bit until they're nice and translucent, nice and soft, like this. Then we can add garlic that's been crushed, pop that in, and a nice big knob of butter. Give this a mix around, and then we can go in with our mushrooms. They've all been sliced quite nicely. I've got white mushrooms and brown mushrooms, just to make it a bit more exciting. Give this a mix. There we go, coming together nicely now. So then a bit more seasoning, I think. Salt and black pepper. Then we can place this to one side because we'll be going to use that again in a minute. Wow, look at all that steam. Have to clean my camera now. There we go. That's looking good. A little bit more butter. Can't do without the butter. Melt this down. Then in with our beef. God, that looks quite bright red, doesn't it, with all that paprika on it. Yeah, we've got to cook this for about 8 or 9 minutes. There we go, it's looking good. Then we can return our mushroom mixture to the pan. Mix this all together. There we go, it's looking good. Now in with our creme fraiche. We want quite a bit of this, I don't know, about half of this tub I suppose. Can go in. And I'm going to add a drop of cream as well. Then a nice teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of nice hot English mustard. That really does add to the flavour. Then in with our beef stock. Pop that in. Mix it all together, and it's nearly done now. So we've got to cook this for a little bit longer. You'll know when it's done. It looks delicious and smells delicious too. I'd say about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. There we go. Now we can plate up. I'm serving this up with just some plain boiled rice. There's plenty of flavours there. A little sprinkle of parsley on the top. That makes it look good. And just as an added bit, a little bit more creme fraiche. Little knob of it right on the top there. Now doesn't that look delicious? So now, taste test time. So here we go for the moment of truth. Really tasty. The beef is really succulent and tender, and the mushrooms, and it's just a whole thing, the whole plateful. Beef stroganoff. Yeah, you're a star. Thanks for watching this video. Please try making this for yourself. And yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Bye everybody. So, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos that I may put up. Please also give me a thumbs up and share if you possibly can. Thank you and bye.